Many of us have felt the pressure to eat a bowl of dry, unseasoned raw vegetables, forcing down every bite, under the assumption that this is the peak of healthy eating. But the biological reality is that our digestive systems aren't perfect extraction machines. Without the right conditions, raw nutrients often pass through the gut without ever being absorbed into the body. Consider the fat-soluble nutrient. These vitamins are physically present in your food, but they require a specific medium to move from the digestive tract and into your system. This is where nutritional synergy comes in. It's the scientific principle that specific food combinations trigger the chemical reactions necessary to make these nutrients accessible. Optimal wellness isn't about eating a higher volume of raw greens. It's about combining ingredients to capitalize on their natural chemical interactions. Take the sweet potato, which contains a high concentration of the nutrient beta-carotene. Left alone, the human digestive system struggles to independently convert that beta-carotene into usable vitamin A. To facilitate that conversion, you need a biological catalyst, and avocado is one of the most effective options available. In this diagram, you can see how it works. The healthy fats in the avocado bind with the beta-carotene, allowing it to move across the intestinal wall and into the body. This simple addition improves how your body uses the meal to support skin, vision, and your immune system, without changing the flavor of the dish. Tomatoes follow a similar logic. They are a primary source of lycopene, an antioxidant vital for heart health. The challenge is that lycopene is held inside the rigid, tough cellular walls of the raw tomato. To access those nutrients, you need the specific properties found in balsamic vinaigrette. This microscopic mu shows how the blend of acid and fat in the vinaigrette physically breaks down those cellular walls, significantly increasing the amount of lycopene your body can actually absorb. Adding a vinaigrette isn't just a culinary preference, it's the chemical step required to extract the antioxidants that help fight cell damage. Then there is kale, a vegetable dense with vitamins A and K. These specific vitamins are fat-soluble, meaning they won't enter your bloodstream without a carrier to transport them. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, or sunflower seeds, provide the lipids necessary for this process. The natural fats inside those seeds function as direct transport vehicles. They pick up the vitamins in the gut and move them into the bloodstream, as shown here. Adding a handful of seeds to your greens is a functional necessity if you want to gain the bone and eye health benefits these vegetables offer. When you look at a bowl like this, you aren't just seeing a mix of vegetables. You're seeing ingredients working in concert to ensure your body gets what it needs. Kitchens that prioritize wellness, like SoFresh, use these specific pairings as the foundation for their bowls and wraps. The core takeaway is simple. To make colorful vegetables effective, you should always pair them with a source of healthy fat or acid. Following this rule prevents high-quality nutrients from being wasted or passing through your system unabsorbed. Real wellness is achieved by working with your body's natural chemistry to create a meal that is both satisfying and nutritionally efficient.